I want to install a 100A subpanel that's 150 feet away from the main panel. What wire size do I use? Does the voltage drop because of the distance?
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
This is a new installation. I'm not an electrician, just a general contractor.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The main panel is 3-phase 208 volts.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. My name is and I will be happy to assist you with your electrical question. 1. Yes, the voltage drop needs to be taken into consideration and calculated. Most electrical codes recommend a maximum of a 3% voltage drop. 2. For a 100 amp/120/208 volt at a distance of 150 feet, the voltage drop is exactly 3% if using 3 AWG copper conductors or a loss of 3.6 volts. If installing aluminum conductors, the feeder circuit needs to be 1 AWG aluminum, and this results in a voltage drop of 2.7% or a loss of 3.2 volts. Either of the above are code compliant. Reply back with any questions. Thanks. Kevin.
If there's a 3% drop, then the voltage at the subpanel is only 201 volts. Suppose we want to run a circuit 100 feet from the subpanel, would it drop another 3% down to 196 volts?
1. The feeder voltage drop from the main panel out to the subpanel equals 208 volts minus 3.6 or 3.2 volts. Thus the subpanel voltage would be 204.8 volts if using aluminum or 204.4 volts if using copper. 2. Not necessarily. The branch circuit conductors that extend out 100 feet from the subpanel to the load can always be increased depending upon the amperage and can maintain a voltage drop of 3% or less.
In theory, how many volts would be at the branch circuit that's extend 100 feet out from the subpanel? Will it be 5 to 6% of 208 or 3% of 208?
1. How many volts for the branch circuit? 120 or 208 volts? 2. How many amps will the branch circuit breaker be?
Subpanel that's 150 feet away is 100A using number 3 copper wire, and branch circuit that's 100 feet away is 3-phase 30A using number 10 THHN.
Thanks. 1. 30 amps at 208 volts with the branch circuit 100 feet results in exactly a 3% VD or a loss of 6.3 volts using 10 AWG copper. 2. If needing close to zero voltage drop at the end of the 100-foot run, then increase the 30 amp circuit using 4 AWG copper, which results in a VD of 0.8% or a loss of 1.6 volts. 3. In order to maintain reasonable voltage drops, either the subpanel feeder circuit conductors can be increased or the branch conductors can be increased, or a combination of both increased in size. 4. Voltage drop is dependent upon the voltage quantity, the amperage, the distance, and if using copper or aluminum conductors. 1. From the main panel voltage origin extending to a subpanel and then a final extension from the branch circuit to the load is recommended to be 5% or less. The 5% rule is considered as acceptable. If the VD percent is greater than 5%, then optionally, a boost transformer can be installed at the end of the branch circuit to compensate for any greater voltage loss.
This last answer makes sense. Thank you.
Okay, very good. No problem, glad to assist. Hope this helps. If you have any additional questions, just let me know and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Otherwise, don't forget to rate me before you log off. Thanks. Kevin.
I tried to give you a 5 stars, but it's not letting me. I'll try again. THX.
Thank you for the positive service rating. Much appreciated. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Take care and have a great evening and a happy new year. Thanks again. Kevin.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.